Hi, I'm Anton, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on how to zoom in out photoshopping, so make your own details within my pre-used Photoshop assignment. Um, Since this is zoom out, it's way too thick. Because I didn't make enough detail, but my brush would be too much thicker by accident with my drawing pen back then with this curve, there's a curve, and sometimes I use this thing and stroke a line with this here and here. When I zoom in, view, zoom in, I can make more details with my paintbrush, with my smaller brush, especially smaller brush up to 2 pixels. So it looks like a rock or sandpit down here and draw this line with my pen. And this is maybe a soil or sandpit. Uh, and I need to kind of um, there's my and this is the 3 layers that maybe I'll tell you some extra hint. What to do is to maybe duplicate layer to make it more organized and merge maybe merge visible as if you have too many invisible eyes at once, like each individual thingy, like too many things at once, then you can merge visible. Or maybe you can't, but at least get the point. So merge layer. Actually, should be merge layer. Merge visible is only one. Actually, you can maybe, yeah. Is the merge only visible only ones that you can see with? But so far, I only merged this, and then after maybe do unseen and group layers so it's more organized. Which one to type in? And type in this one building gate, because when you draw too many things at once, it might um you can forget how many layers do you have. At least if you organize. So this is my building gate. I think I've done my YouTube tutorial. So I'll do my save Photoshop. I always going to back up your thingy once in a while in case of computer trash. So thank you.